We have started the chapter Asia, and today we will see the political divisions of Asia. Asia is the largest continent in the world, and politically Asia is divided into round about 48 countries. Now see, direction wise, these countries we are dividing into North Asia, the countries of East Asia, Southeast Asia, Central Asia, South Asia, and West or Southwest Asia. The countries in East Asia, you can see there is the country of Japan, North Korea, South Korea, China, as well as there is Taiwan. And collectively, this region is also known as Far East. Now, when you are looking at these country names, you can see here, this region is also known as Far East. Now, we will see the Southeast Asian countries, which are mostly island countries like Myanmar, Laos, Thailand, Vietnam, Cambodia. Here is Malaysia, then Singapore, Indonesia, as well as Philippines. These are the island countries. In South Asia, we have India as well as its neighboring countries like Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, as well as Sri Lanka. And this region is also known as the Indian subcontinent, and currently one name has been given to this region, that is SAARC, that stands for South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. Now we will see the countries of Southwest Asia. This region, these countries are quite rich in petroleum deposits. You can see the names here. It's Turkey, Lebanon, Israel, Syria, Iraq, Iran, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait. Here is Bahrain, and then there is United Arab Emirates, Yemen, as well as Oman. See the names. Now, North Asia consists of Russia, Asiatic Russia, or it is also, we can say Siberia or Asiatic Russia. Russia is the country that spans into two continents. Two continents it spans, that is Europe plus Asia. And in Asia, it is called Asiatic Russia. Now we will see the countries of Central Asia. In the year 1991, USSR collapsed and broke into 15 independent republics. So these are the republics. Out of 15 republics, some of them are in Asia. Like you can see here is Georgia, here is, you can see Azerbaijan, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, Kyrgyzstan, and Kazakhstan. Now we will see the coastline of Europe. Asia. You can see in the east coast of Asia, along the east coast, the water bodies are the Sea of Japan, Yellow Sea, as well as China Sea, while in the northeast coast there is Sea of Okhotsk as well as Bering Sea. In the south there are two bays, Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea further extends up to the Persian Gulf, while on the other hand Gulf of Aden, it extends in the northwest into Red Sea. This is all about the political divisions and coastline of Asia. Now you see today's worksheet. Two questions are there. Question number 1, name two countries for each. Far East, that is A, B is SAARC, SAARC, and C is Southeast Asia. And question number 2, name two water bodies along the east coast of Asia. That is all for today, students. Thank you.